So welcome to this video on using library search to find books and ebooks. Firstly, we'd recommend signing into library search. Signing in enables library search to recognise who you are, give you more search options, and allows you to save search queries and add items that you find to your favourites, as well as lots of other functionality too. There's a separate video on this in our library search playlist if you're interested. So let's try a search. So I'm going to do a search on branded spaces. And you can see that brings us quite a lot of results here. Various types of resources, articles, books. And if we want to just look at books, then we can filter over here on the left hand side using the resource type filter, and I'm going to select books. And that's brought our results total down significantly. And you can see a lot of these are available online, and some of them are available in the library. So if you just want to look at what's available in the library, if you're strolling through and you want a print book to sit and read, then you can narrow your search by using that filter, and then you'll see that it tells you whether it's available, and you can see that it'll tell you where it's available. So if it's Falmouth Campus Library or Penryn Library, what the shelf number is, and the three little letters that it's very important to note down. And if you click into the result, you can see all the places that it's available. So we've got Falmouth Campus Library, Penryn Campus Library, and whether it's available or not. And you can do various things with that record. If you want to email it to yourself or share it with somebody via various social media options, you can do. You can get citation, you can print it. So there are lots of ways to share it, but also you might just want to pin it in library search, so you save it to your favourites, which you can then come back to later on. So you also might want to look at ebooks. So over here on the left hand side, we can remove that available in the library filter and go back to available online. So we just get the online books. So there we have all the ebooks that are available. And if you click on the link available online, then you find out where you can access it. So different ebooks might appear differently depending on what platform they are. Here you can see that you can look at individual chapters. And you have options to listen as well as read the full text, but you'll find different platforms appear differently. So let's have a look at this one, which is in a different supplier. Okay, so you can see here that you can read online, you can download for up to 21 days, or you can download individual chapters. So you'll find different ebook suppliers have different ways of presenting content. So if you do get stuck, just ask us, but they should be fairly self-explanatory. So that's a very quick look at searching for books using library search.